If your AeroPress brews taste weak, bitter, or just off, you're probably making one of these common mistakes. But don't worry, I'm here to help. My name's Lizzie, and today I'll show you exactly how to fix these problems so you can start making consistently smooth, rich, and flavourful AeroPress coffee every single time. Mistake number 9, using a dry paper filter. A dry paper filter can leave a lingering papery taste in your coffee. Before you brew, give your filter a quick rinse with hot water. This small step not only washes away any unwanted flavours, but it also warms up your AeroPress, helping the extraction process go more evenly. It's a simple tweak that can really brighten up your cup. Mistake number 8, water dripping too fast. When the water rushes through your AeroPress, the coffee ends up weak and under-extracted. One easy fix is to use 2 paper filters instead of 1. The extra layer slows down the flow, giving you a richer, more balanced cup. Another trick is to pour your water quickly and then insert the plunger a bit earlier to create a slight vacuum that stops the drip too soon. Some coffee enthusiasts also try the inverted method. By turning your AeroPress upside down, you let the ground steep fully before flipping and pressing. This approach can lead to a more uniform extraction, but it does look a bit intimidating. If that upside down method feels too much, don't worry, you can stick with the standard approach and still achieve great results. Mistake number 7, pressing too hard or too fast. It might seem like forcing the plunger down quickly would extract more flavour, but pressing too hard or too fast can backfire. Pushing too hard is not going to make it better, and you risk spilling it all over the kitchen and yourself. Instead, aim for a gentle, steady pressure that takes about 20 to 30 seconds. This measured approach not only prevents messy spills and potential burns, but it also helps you achieve a balanced, smooth cup. Mistake number 6, using the wrong grind size. The grind size is crucial to the quality of your extraction. For the best results, grind your coffee fresh before brewing. A grind that's too coarse won't extract enough flavour, leaving your brew weak and sour. Aim for a medium fine grind and adjust based on your taste. Finer if you need more intensity, coarser if it's too bitter. Your roaster should be able to grind it for you if you don't have a grinder. You can pick up a hand burr grinder pretty cheap and they give great results. But if you have a bit more of a budget, an electric burr grinder can really speed things up. Mistake number 5, not adjusting the brew time. Brew time plays a huge role in the flavour of your coffee. Plunging too early might mean you're missing out on some of those subtle notes, while waiting too long can lead to over-extraction and a harsh taste. Generally, a brew time of 1 to 1.5 minutes results in a lighter, more vibrant cup, whereas stretching it to 2 or 2.5 minutes produces a fuller, richer flavour. Try experimenting with your brew times. Using a timer on your phone can help you find that perfect duration that suits your taste. Mistake number 4, ignoring water temperature and dilution tricks. Water temperature is one of those factors that can really make or break your brew. Boiling water can scorch the grounds, leading to bitterness. Instead, let your water sit for about 30 seconds after boiling, so it falls within the ideal range of 90 to 95 Celsius, roughly 195 to 204 Fahrenheit. And don't forget about dilution. Try adding a little room temperature water to adjust the strength. This can help balance the flavours and ensure your cup isn't too intense. Mistake number 3, only pushing out the coffee puck without cleaning. After each brew, it might be tempting to just push out the coffee puck and move on with your day. But neglecting a proper clean can let oils and residues build up, which can eventually affect the taste of your coffee. A quick rinse or a gentle wipe is usually enough for day-to-day use. If you're using your AeroPress regularly, it's a smart idea to give it a deeper clean about once a week. Mistake number 2, not experimenting with different recipes. It's easy to stick with the same recipe because it feels safe, but that can hold your coffee back from reaching its full potential. The beauty of the AeroPress is its versatility. You can play around with different coffee to water ratios, adjust your brew time, or even switch between paper and metal filters to see how the flavours change. For example, metal filters often give you a bit more body and richness, while paper filters usually deliver a cleaner, crisper cup. Mistake number 1, using old coffee. This one's pretty straightforward. If your coffee isn't fresh, nothing else will help. Coffee beans start losing their vibrant flavour soon after roasting, so it's essential to check the roast date. Aim to use your beans within a few weeks of roasting for the best results. Grinding your coffee just before brewing can also lock in those complex aromas and flavours. Fresh coffee really is the cornerstone of a great cup, and it makes all the other tweaks worth it. By the way, if you want to try some of our coffee, we've got 20% off for you guys. Just use the code on the screen and the link in the description. Let me know in the comments if you've tried any of these tweaks or if you've discovered a tip that's transformed your coffee experience. If you want to learn more about light roast versus dark roast, click here, and if you want to watch a video with our perfect AeroPress recipe, click here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.